In this video, we're going to go over the rules for graphing inequalities on number lines. The first rule is that we're going to use an open circle for less than or greater than symbols. This is because the number that we're being given is not included in the solution set. Rule number 2, use a closed circle for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to signs. This is because the number that we're being given is part of the solution set. Let's do some examples together. Number 1, x is greater than or equal to -2. We're going to locate -2 on the number line and place a closed circle on top of it. Next, we need to draw our line. We know that all the numbers that are larger than -2 are to the right, so we're going to draw our arrow pointing to the right. As long as the variable is on the left and the number is on the right, we can use our inequality symbol to help us know which way our arrow or our line is pointing. Number 2, x is less than 5. We're going to find 5 on our number line and place an open circle because we only have a less than symbol. We also know that all the numbers less than 5 are going to be to the left of that circle. Number 3, x is less than or equal to 6. We find 6 on our number line and place a closed circle. We're also going to draw our arrow going towards the left because we know that all the numbers that are less than 6 are to the left of that circle. Number 4, x is greater than 1. Find 1 on the number line, open circle. We know that all the numbers that are greater than 1 are located to the right, so our arrow is pointing to the right. X is less than -14. We find -14 on the number line, open circle. Our arrow is pointing to the left. And last but not least, x is less than or equal to 9. We find 9 and place a closed circle, and our arrow is pointing to the left. Now let's actually pull up IXL so that you can see how we actually are going to graph inequalities on the number line using this program. X less than 8. So we know that we have an open circle. In order to get an open circle in IXL, you need to tap 2 times, and then in order to place the line on the number line, you need to click the endpoint that you want it to point towards. So we want this line to go towards the left, so we're going to click over here by the 0 and hit submit. Here we have x greater than or equal to 3, so we want a closed circle, so we're going to tap once. And now we want the arrow to point to the right, so we're going to tap over here by the 7 and hit submit. X is less than or equal to 2. We want a closed circle, so just 1 time. And we want it to point to the left, so we're going to tap by the 0, submit, and 1 more. X is greater than 10. We're going to hit 2 times because we want the open circle, and we're pointing to the right, so we want to hit by the 10 and hit submit. All right, try the next few by yourself. Good luck.